Welcome to the STYX video. In this example, exchange and replace of target, or also can be for any device. First, you have to open SEUS Cockpit. When the button appears, you can click on it and log in as administrator. On the range port, you have to click here to come to the main menu and go to range configurator. In the device of the range configurator, you have here the 4 targets. We have here now 4 targets, and we want to swap target number 1 with target number 3. We select target number 1, the A1, press here and change it with target number 3, F5. Select this one and say exchange. And now the F1 and A1 has exchanged. If you need to do a replacement of the target, you can do it here by press this button, or much easier, you don't need to go into range configurator. You can directly swap by exchange the target on the range. We take the target F5, lane number 1, disconnect it, and we connect the new target, the replacement target. You can see now in the range configurator what's happened. It needs a while, then the new target will appear, and the target number 1, F5, will disappear. Now B6 came up. F5 is now red, and it has changed. Lane number 1 is now B6, the new target. That's the easy way to replace a target. Thank you for watching this video.